Hi, good morning. My name is José Osuna Lopez, and today I am going to present about the place of articulation of, of articulations, specifically alveolar. What are alveolar sounds? Alveolar sounds are speech sounds produced when the tongue touches or comes very close to the alveolar. If you, as you can see in this image, it is touching the upper part of your mouth, usually called your paladar, or something like that, and um, which is the bony part of located just behind your upper teeth in your mouth, mm, which has a lot of ridges which you can touch with your tongue. Which articulators are used? Not very much articulators are used, but usually the tip or blade of the tongue are used. And the alveolar ridge, which is this part right here, are the main players in this type of sound. Here is a visual aid which you can see it is touching the upper part of our mouth just behind our front teeth. Which sounds does they produce? Usually it produces sounds like T, T, D, N, N, S, which touches the upper part, C, which touches also, and sometimes L. Some common examples are top, time, dog, day, net, night, sun, sit, su, zero, lip, and love. All of these sounds, all of these words use in a alveolar sound, which they are necessary. Well, for them to be speak, it's necessary to put your tongue on your alveolar, which is the part that is behind our front teeth. Like as you can see in all of the words that I said, I needed to do this movement. And well, thank you very much. That's all. I hope you can give us classes again, teacher. See you later.